Hello, welcome to Greenlight Networks. We pride ourselves on having a fast and reliable fiber optic internet service. To keep up with the demand for our top-tier service, we do need to perform routine maintenance. While a piece of equipment undergoes maintenance, services for customers on that piece of equipment may not be usable. 3 days prior to a planned maintenance, all customers who will be affected are notified via email of the date and time frame their services will be down. In a few situations, services may not come back automatically when the maintenance is complete. There are a few steps you can take to attempt to reconnect service yourself. Step 1. Power your ONT and router down. To do this, press the power button to the off position on both the ONT and router. Alternatively, you can unplug the power cord to each device to power them down. Once powered off, leave both devices off for a total of 5 minutes. Step 2. Checking the fiber optic cable. With the ONT powered off, now is a great time to check the fiber optic cable for damage. The fiber optic cable connected to the ONT will have a distinct green tip. Unplug this cable and inspect the tip. If it seems to be dusty, you can clean the tip using a microfiber cloth. Once you have confirmed the cable does not have any damage and is clean, reconnect it to the ONT. Step 3. Power the ONT and router on. After the ONT and router have been off for 5 minutes, we can begin the process of powering them on. To do this, power the ONT on first. Wait until the power and PON lights have finished blinking. After that, power the router on. Your router should have a light indicating a connection to the internet. If you do not know how to read the status of the lights on your router, please refer to your router's manual or contact your router's manufacturer. Step 4. Connect and test. Once both your ONT and router are on, connect a device to your network and try to access a website like greenlightnetworks.com. If the page loads, you should be all set and ready to use the internet. If the page does not load, please be sure all the cables we were working with are plugged in all the way and in the right ports. If all cables seem to be fine and you are still unable to connect, please reach out to our technical support team between the hours of 8 a.m. and 7 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturdays from 8 a.m. to 6:30 p.m., and Sundays 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Thank you for your patience while we update and upgrade our network. We value each of our customers and want everyone to have the best experience possible. For any questions or concerns regarding our routine maintenance, please reach out to our customer support team at 585-351-6600 or by chatting with us at greenlightnetworks.com. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.